Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm with New Jersey Animal and Pest Control Specialists. We are a full-service animal and pest control specialist serving the entire state of New Jersey. This specific video is on emergency bat removal and also bat guano removal. Bat guano is the feces. It's highly toxic, but I'd first like to talk about our little brown bats here in the beautiful, plush Garden State, New Jersey. Now, we know that in the summer months, you'll see bats. Where those trees are high, they love to roost, especially in areas of West New Jersey, Northern Mahwah, Ramsey, that part. But we also see in some regions sometimes where we wouldn't expect these little brown bats. These little brown bats like to come out mainly in the humidity. July and August, they eat 4 times their weight in mosquitoes. And just as a footnote, bats are mammals, just for your information, and they could be rabid sometimes. Rabid means carriers of rabies because they're somewhat nocturnal, just like your raccoon. Your raccoon's activity is at night. They have reverse schedules. If you see a raccoon during the daylight hours and people call us, that raises a red flag with us. That could be rabid. The way you know they're rabid is they're extremely aggressive. Now, with the little brown bats, we have a wonderful, wonderful bat exclusion. We give 5-year written guarantees. Our bat exclusion works like a charm. We use one-way tunnels to where they are prongs on the end. They're very territorial. So usually when we do a treatment, whether it be residential or commercial, they go right next door to where they can get in another structure. But we have a 24-hour hotline in service for you, and we want you to give us a call. Don't play hero with those bats. You have to know what you're doing. Those little brown bats, we call it bumping. If they're interior during the night, you could be sleeping, they nick you on the forearm, and they have these razor-sharp teeth. You might not feel it. You wake up in the morning, you're brushing your teeth, you're at the sink, you see a little cut on your arm, you dismiss it like it's nothing, maybe a scratch. Listen, if there is a bat interior in your house, whether that be residential or commercial property, the state of New Jersey strongly suggests us to suggest to you when we get there that everyone under that roof go for a rabies checkup. That's how serious it is. So we have that hotline in place for you. We also are full service. We do bat guano, which is highly toxic, like pigeon dung. You might not smell it in the air, the fumes, but it's there, and you don't want to play around with that either. So we have a full service bat exclusion in place for you. Why don't you give us a call? Our phone number for Northern New Jersey is 973-388-9126. For Central Jersey and the Jersey Shore, that number is 732-664-5667. And I'm going to put a link down there in the description for you. And I was on a treatment just recently. It was actually in Rockland County, New York. We do serve that area too. Let me give you that phone number, 845-770-4224, if my memory serves me correctly. But I'm going to have that description. And I actually have a live video for you showing that little brown bat in some prongs. And you can look at that for your information as well. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.